another spectacular episode. Today is decorating day. I'm also going to have some sausage balls for y'all, and you voted on the fall DIY craft, and we're going to be doing a pumpkin made out of toilet paper roll, so stay tuned for all of that. This year I'm only decorating my living room and kitchen, and I'm going to start out in the living room. This is a pumpkin spice candle, and I'm going to put it by the window with the green curtains. In the future I do want to get some cream curtains, but I'm going to use the green ones for now. I have this little fleece blanket that I found off of Amazon, so anything that I'm able to link, I will, but I will be sure to tell y'all where everything's from. This pillow was from Walmart. One of my subscribers sent it to me. This pumpkin is from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and I think they still have it this year. So now I'm just taking off everything that I did have up on the TV stand, and I've got some little table runners and lots of different pumpkins, so I'm just going to put pumpkins everywhere underneath my TV stand.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
And most of my pumpkins are from TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Dollar General, so they're kind of just sprinkled about everywhere. I can say the velvet ones are from TJ Maxx, and the more traditional looking ones were from Hobby Lobby, and the big velvet ones that were on that first shelf were from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to decorate this little wall shelf right here with some more traditional fall pieces. And don't worry if it feels like it's going by too fast, because at the end of the video I will have a entire tour of everything in real time, so you'll be able to see everything. We're going to move on to the fall recipe. You will need 1 roll of sausage. You're going to need 3 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, and you're also going to need a box of stovetop stuffing. I have the turkey one. You're going to cook the stuffing so it's soft. Then you're going to mix all of those ingredients together and roll them out into little balls. You should be able to make 40, but I ended up making about 30 and I saved some. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let these cook for 25 minutes. And this is what the leftovers look like, and I'm going to freeze those. Now I am moving on into the kitchen, and we're going to do a little bit of decorating in here. I have some favorites. And then also we're going to do that Dollar Tree DIY as a centerpiece for the kitchen. And it's so nice because a lot of the things that I do decorate with are from Dollar Tree, so it's super accessible for pretty much everybody. This table runner that I'm using in here is from TJ Maxx, and the little placemats I got off of Poshmark. And these pumpkins that I'm showing you are also from Dollar Tree. They have a few different ones. They had peach ones, pink, leather, all different colors. But these are the 3 that I chose. And I'm actually going to clip them to the greenery that I have. And guys, this greenery is also from Dollar Tree. So a really simple DIY. If you cannot afford a fancy garland, or you just don't want to pay a lot of money for a fancy garland, then you can just kind of make one yourself. So what's neat about this is whenever fall is over, I can just take these little clips down, and I'm sure that Dollar Tree will have a similar style of clip that I can use for Christmas time as well. So I just thought this was really neat. It's one of my favorite things that I did this year. So let me know in the comments down below if you have done something similar to this before, or if this is something new that you may be interested in trying. I picked this glass leaf up at a thrift store a couple months ago, and I thought it'd be great as like a spoon rest while I'm cooking. And if there's anything you see that I don't mention where it's from, please comment down below in the comment section, and I will be sure to get back to you. So now we're doing the toilet paper DIY from Dollar Tree. All you're gonna need is a bandana, some sort of fabric square, and ribbon, scissors, toilet paper, of course. I just have like a mega roll, and some sort of greenery, fall foliage, whatever you want to call it. So you're going to take the first little layer of toilet paper and twist it. That way you can bulk it up, and it's going to become more of a rounded shape instead of that stiff roll, and it really does work. And then I just tucked it in, and this I found off of Pinterest. I also found the sausage rolls off of Pinterest, which we will get back to, I promise. But I'm just going to lay this out and then put the toilet paper on top, and then all you have to do is tuck in the corners, and I tried to kind of loosely do it, that way it would create more of a bulky pumpkin look. And there it is. Now I went 2 different routes. So this first one, I just went straight in with the pick, and then I thought about adding this orange sparkly pick, but it kind of took away. Sometimes less is really more. And so I do end up taking the whole entire top off, and I decided to cut my ribbon long enough to where I could put it underneath the roll, and then tuck them in as well, because I want to give it the feel of a pumpkin. So I wanted to create those lines, and so you'll see me do that here. I kind of just angle them any sort of way. There was no like right way of doing this. You just do it however you want, but I thought this would be a really good idea. And I do end up adding one more ribbon that just goes vertically, because I thought that it needed one there too, so you'll see me add that one as well. But then I would put the pick back and it just turns out so beautiful. You can get all of these items at the Dollar Tree, including the toilet paper. So this comes out to just a few dollars for a centerpiece, and it really is so pretty and something you could do with your kids and your family and just have a lot of fun doing it. Our sausage our sausage balls are done, y'all, and they tasted pretty good. Aaron said they're not like the best, but he's not really a fan of things like this. So if you like sausage balls, you should definitely try this recipe out. Or if you've already tried it out, let us know how you liked it down below. So here is what the living room and the kitchen look like all lit up, but I want to show y'all what it looks like dark, just to set the mood and give you all the fall and Halloween vibes. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave you with the tour.